told me that now is the break.
Yeah.
This
No.
is quite bullshit.
Should 12 lots of break. No, but seriously, somebody must have suspicious. Or if they think that you recorded something.
Yeah.
You're gonna draw that.
What? I mean, I'm not recording the music.